would you do if you had an extra $1,000 per month? Maybe an extra $2,000 a month. Buy a new car. That new 8 Series not looking too bad. Take a flight once a month. Start that new business you've been telling all your friends about. Maybe a shopping spree every month. I can't draw Balenciaga, so pretend that's the latest drip. Some of you are thinking, I just quit my job. And hold on, not just yet. We'll save that for part 2. Point is, with an extra $1,000 to $2,000 every month, you have options, right? So now you're asking, okay, Jalil, how do I get this extra $2K every month? The thing is, some of you already have it. You're just spending it somewhere else. You're spending it on rent. Yeah. So you're spending that extra money every month on rent. Now, before you come for me, I know if you don't pay rent, you could be homeless, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not telling you to skip out on rent. That's a bad idea. But what about instead of paying rent, you had others pay your rent or your mortgage? What you could do is buy a multifamily property, maybe a 2, 3, or even a 4 family, and live in one of the apartments and have the other apartments pay for your mortgage. So the next question you may be asking is, how do I get this multifamily property? There's a few options, and each option has their pros and cons. First option is probably what most people know about, which is FHA. Allows a minimum of 3.5% down if you have a 580 credit score. Now, 3.5% down on an $800,000 home is $28K. But let's say you don't have that $28,000. There's other options out there. Second option is probably my favorite, and that's NACA. No down payment, no closing costs required. Third option is the VA loan, if you're eligible. Has 0 down payment options. And last is the USDA loan. That has 0 down payment options as well. The point is, whether you use NACA, FHA, VA, or USDA, whatever you use something.